I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Buick LaCrosse keyless remote. First, gather all key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your car battery is in good condition. You'll also need to locate the vehicle's programming button, often found in the glove box or under the dashboard. This preparation ensures a smooth programming process for all your remotes. To begin, sit in the driver's seat and close all doors. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press and hold the vehicle's programming button. You should hear a chime or see a light flash, indicating the car has entered programming mode. This step is crucial for the system to accept new remote signals. Once in programming mode, take your first key fob. Press and hold any button on the remote for about 15 seconds. The car will respond with a chime or a lock cycle, confirming that the remote has been successfully programmed. Immediately repeat this process for any other key fobs you wish to program, one by one, within 30 seconds of each other. After programming all your key fobs, it's time to exit programming mode. Simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove it from the ignition. The car will usually chime again, signaling that it has exited programming mode. Finally, test each key fob to ensure all functions like locking and unlocking doors work correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.